and rows, the highway gold is in our hands. Rusted hope and city smoke, the violet lands. I feel it every now and then. I remember what you said, that it was us against the wind. Life is always better. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. We're walking on gold grace. These are the best days.
Children, you ready to go? Jackson Hole, huh?
Jason Hole.
And it's only 7:10. What was our goal time?
I don't know, what was our goal time? 6?
5:30.
We're late.
We're a little late, but thankfully our friends are late too. So see you in Jackson Hole at 1 a.m. Alrighty, friends. We're going to try the atomic fireball test.
Let's have Mom do it first.
Okay, here we go. We got these from the candy store. The kids are worried how spicy it will be.
Is it spicy?
Not really. Not for me. Okay, ready, set, go. Put it in all the way in.
Mom, I can't. Why?
All the way in.
Spicy? Hey, that's
And it gets a little spicier as you go. Graham already spit it out.
I had it on home. It's not too spicy at first, but it gets way spicier. That
Okay.
was so spicy. How did you survive that when you were a kid?
It's getting spicier, isn't it? Lucy wins.
We're on our way. We're here with some friends. Thanks for joining us, Kimball family. We're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna go to a shootout, actually, gun show. And then after that, we're gonna go, what do you think?
Maybe a rodeo if we can get in, which I hope we can. I'm wearing my rodeo shirt.
Oh, I like that rodeo shirt. While waiting for our friends, we found that we're running out of time, so we're gonna go to the gun show without them. Confession.
No, not without him. We're going to get him a seat.
Totally going to go get them a seat. That was exactly what I was going to say. And I believe they will be grateful for it. And we'll know they're coming because of how many children they have.
I blew in from San Antonio and I found myself a lover, place to rest my bones. Can recall life like this.
It's a Saturday morning in the Scout House. Hey baby, what are we gonna go see today?
I don't know yet.
Here's our big little girl and her friend. They made breakfast today. They poured a really extravagant bowl of cereal.
We made pancakes.
Pancakes!
See ya. Go. Oh, I win.
Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me. Your tears, they say.
So this is your passport. When you go in, you clock in, and then when you're done, you clock out. So it'll tell you how long it took you. And you have to find all these animals. There's a hole puncher, he said, and all of the letters. Okie dokie. You don't get anything. It's just to see who does it first.
Check it out. This is our punch card on the maze again.
Can you
We're just wandering around.
Can you help
Hang on, we gotta wait for Lincoln.
Wait, can I come back?
Sure.
We made it around one corner and already we're stopped. This is gonna be a long maze.
6 hours later.
Are you nervous?
I don't want to fall.
I don't want to fall either.
Hi!
Where are we, Gigi? Say we're on the mountain, huh? Are we really high?
Yeah.
Is it scary?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's totally
I don't
scary.
want to get my
And look, there's some chickens back there. Hey, chickens! Oh my gosh, I'm so terrified having her up here.
Oh no, your phone.
Uh-oh, what just fell?
Your phone.
Oh no! She dropped my phone. Oh my heavens.
Does that freak out a little bit?
It freaks me out and I kind of want to do it too.
That looks way cool.
I'd actually do it.
Are you ready, Grace? Are you ready for underdog? Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!